Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Sweden's Life TV. Today's vlog, I want to unbox this new speaker I have. I buy this speaker as a birthday gift for myself, and of course, I get some money on my first salary in YouTube. So that I will know where is my first salary in YouTube. This speaker is JBL Boombox, portable speaker. Of course, it's mobile speaker. We will see what is inside later and how much it costs for this speaker. How is the review for this speaker? But before that, guys, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will updated on my next video. Thank you, and see you soon.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. To this videos, we're talking about a speaker that is massive sound. Today we're talking about JBL Boombox. First, we will go ahead and take a look for a couple of hearing. First, we're gonna talk about accessory. Very simple. It takes a very long charger. This thing goes with 24 hours battery life, of course. This thing has a plenty power. The connection at the back, there is a power plug. 2 USB port, so you can plug 2 devices and charge them into iPhones, iPads, or whatever you like. Also at the back, there is a home and outdoor mode. Basically, you can change whatever mode you like. Alright, button of this thing. You got a Bluetooth pairing button. You got volume down and high. In the middle, you have a power button. And of course, you have a pairing Bluetooth button, so you can allow pairing your device in the other JBL when you are outside on the party. Branding is very simple, says Boombox on the top. You have JBL logo in the middle, and also JBL on the button radiator on both sides. This thing is a waterproof. You can throw it away on the water. Up to 3.3 feet, up to 30 minutes. You completely have fun, and it will be float. You have a really vibrate blooming sound. Alright, who is these things for? Because that retails for $450. That is really expensive when it comes for a Bluetooth speaker. But the things about this speaker is this is not really your normal Bluetooth speaker. It's made for outdoor activity and the party and stuff like that. These things right here is one of the loudest Bluetooth speaker I've ever heard. JBL is definitely known when it comes to their speakers. I could say this is the signature speaker of their series. JBL has an amazing product. These things is definitely worth either of that. I can say enough of how these things is built. The sounds just exciting. It's exciting listen to music through these things. So guys, that is my quick review and my recommendation about the JBL Boombox, and I think this is amazing product. Again, you can choose what do you want. You can pick anything you like. But for me, I definitely love this thing. Thank you so much for checking out this video.